So today on a special episode, one of my best friends, Finesse Goddess, is letting you guys in on her personal experience and struggles when it comes to battling alopecia. Let's get into it. What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and we are back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Yolissa. They sent me a number 27 honey blonde water wave lace front wig.
Hi guys, it's Finesse Goddess at Easy Breezy Studios. Is it Callus Girl Studios? Well, I was born with alopecia. And most of my baby pictures, I don't have edges like at all. Like it's all gone right here. My mom, she had me when she was 20. So she didn't really know what to do. And I don't blame her for that. She didn't know there were dermatologist programs out here that I could have used with the insurance we have. And it took me getting to like 19 to really do research on my own. And I didn't really notice it was a problem for me until I got in middle school. People started picking on me because I didn't have any edges or I didn't have hair on my sides. That kind of gave me tough skin because at some point I started beating everybody up. I mean, yeah, I ain't got no edges, but I got hands. That's the only place that really affected me. But once I started fighting people, they stopped talking about my hair. I don't really need to have edges, but it is my goal one day to get the surgery and get my hair follicles restored so I can eventually have edges and wear my real hair out, because my real hair is down my back. It's just right here. It's non-existent. Like all this, it's just right here. And in my baby pictures, you can see I've never really had hair right here. But oh, I would be so cute bald. Oh, one day I'm gonna go bald.
So yes, you guys, once again, you can definitely be born with alopecia, but also in other rare cases, it can pop up in your teens, in your 20s, in your 30s. It really just depends. And doctors do not know the cause of it, which is the craziest part. Now, it is an autoimmune disease where your body attacks your own hair follicles, and it can't be explained. So one of the techniques that they have for bringing your hair back is steroid shots that you can get in your scalp, or you can get hair transplants. So now I want to let you guys in on a little bit of my hair history, right? How I started and how I practiced, who I practiced on. So Yolissa is one of the first people, okay, I ever did glue-ins on, sew-ins. Like, I've tried so many styles on her. Like, she was my first client, or I should say guinea pig, for so many styles. Like, it's crazy. Yolissa is also, well, that's her real name. I don't even know if she wanted me to say that. But Yolissa is also one of the first people that really pushed my boundaries when it comes to doing hair. Like, I'm not gonna say it's easy, but it's easier doing, people's hair that don't have no quote unquote issues with their hairline or their just hair in general. But she really challenged me to do better, because I had to find a way to give her a full head of hair and make everything look natural despite the alopecia. So I'm gonna let you guys know about one of the first hairstyles I ever did on her, right? So we were doing this glue-in, and I'm not talking about a quick weave or a glue-in done any right way, okay? What we did was I flat ironed her hair, and then I would part her hair and glue the tracks in between. Now, I don't know if people actually do this or if they do this or whatever, but this was something that we used to do to our heads in middle school, and it used to literally tear our hair out. So do not try this at home. So anyways, I used to, flat iron her hair, and I would glue the tracks in between. And at this point in time, right, I didn't have no accurate perception on how much hair to use. Like, I just didn't. And I didn't know, how much hair was too much and how much was too little. All we knew was 2 packs. All right, so I'm over here gluing the tracks in between her hair. And y'all, these parts were so small. It was like literally half an inch in between each track, right? So by the time I got to the top, we was excited. Like, it was looking cute. It was looking thick. So we was like, okay, so we're going to do a bang. So when I got to the top, I started to, rotate the tracks in like a spiral, right? And then when it got to the center, I left her hair out. So it was like a head full of weave with her little leave out at the top of her head just to make it look, I guess, semi-real. I guess that's what we were going for. So once all the tracks were glued in, her hair couldn't be that long because her mom didn't even allow her hair to be that long. So I had to cut it, right? But the only issue was, y'all, I could not cut at this time in my career. I just couldn't. Everything I cut, I made look like a Barbie doll head. So I cut the back and I tried to bump it as good as it can go. And I cut the bang. I bumped the bang. And y'all, it was so thick and choppy. It looked like a mushroom. Oops. Yeah, definitely had to lighten up that concealer because clearly I think I was moving a little bit too fast. So anyways, back to this hairstyle, y'all. So I went to my MySpace page, right? And thank God I still have access to my pictures. So I found a picture of us when I did her hair that day. And it's not that clear, so I'm gonna show you guys, but I had a better picture of the hair because honestly, it looks like kind of cute in these pictures. But if I showed y'all the clear picture of it, then y'all would know exactly what I'm talking about when it came to that cut. So long story short, okay, Yolissa is the GOAT, okay? Because she let me experiment on her head so many times, and baby, she did not complain. She liked every single hairstyle. Hell, I liked every single hairstyle. And really, before I actually started getting paid for hair, I was just doing mainly her hair, but probably like 5 of my friends' hair for 2 years straight, no charging them. I used to do braids. I used to do mohawks in their head. I used to do those glue-ins. I used to try quick weaves. I used to try to do sew-ins, but my sew-ins were trash back then. So yes, I had a lot of experience before I even started charging doing hair. And one thing I will say is, when you have a true passion for something, it's easy to be resilient with that goal, right? I wasn't worried about money. I wasn't worried about, where is this gonna take me? Or, am I gonna get famous or rich or whatever? Like, I never thought about that when it came to doing hair even one time. I just enjoy doing hair. I like doing makeovers. I like doing transformations. Like, that is one of my passions. So it's almost like I forced myself to perfect my craft, I guess at that time perfect it, before I even felt comfortable charging people. And I'm definitely not saying that you have to do something for free for years and years, before you start charging. But, that kind of determines whether you're going to be successful or not. Because if you can't do it for free, how are you going to get through the hard times? How are you going to get through the droughts? You really have to love what you do to pursue it for years and years and actually like be successful from it. So yeah, that's just like one thing that I really take pride in, is that I was doing hair for free for years before I charged anyone a penny from my sewings, And if y'all watch my other story times, y'all know I started at $35 sewings, so I was cheap, So yeah, if you can't do it for free, then baby, you don't love it, okay? Period. All right, so the baby hairs are done, and y'all, I am loving this color on her skin, and I'm about to sit her under the dryer. But what I forgot to tell you guys is I actually put a highlight in the front of the wig. So the natural color is, that sandy blonde that's in the back, but this streak in the front I did with a 40 volume developer and BW2 bleach, and I left it on there for about maybe 20 minutes just to get that pretty highlight in the front. Now I'm taking my water spray bottle and spraying the wig down so we can get a really cute wet and wavy look today. Y'all already know, when you get some deep wave hair, you gotta do the wet and wavy at first. And then later on you can let it air dry and let it get big, but yeah. All right, so I'm back with the Cantu leave-in conditioner. Y'all, I love this leave-in conditioner. Like, this is the best hair lotion that I know, okay? It makes the hair so soft, and it makes it detangled, and it really keeps it looking juicy and moisturized for a long period of time. So if y'all are in the beauty supply store looking for curly hair products, try Cantu Argan Oil leave-in conditioner because it's awesome. All right, y'all, let's get to the style. All right, now, if you did not already know, Galaxy Girl and Easy Breezy is releasing brand new pink hot combs, okay? So I'm trying it on camera just so y'all can see just how hot and silky and amazing they are. And make sure y'all stay tuned, all right? So you can know when the launch dates are, because baby, it's going down. All right, so that hairline is looking amazing, all right, period. So I put some spritz on there, and now I'm using my comb to just mold the top and give it that cute little wave effect. And I don't usually do my wet and wavy styles like this, but I just felt like I wanted to try something new today. All right, now I do want some body in this style now that I think about it. So I'm gonna take my blow dryer and just dry the hair a little bit more, just so we can get some more body and some more volume.
And for those girls out there who have alopecia, do not let that make or break you. Because at the end of the day, if you want to go out here and wear your real hair, and I've seen ladies that have no edges that are still proud of the crown upon their head. You can still be confident with no edges. You don't have to necessarily wear a wig. But if you want to, you can. At the end of the day, you can buy new edges. People can't buy new faces, okay? So, for what everybody talking about, be you, be free. You want to show your edges off, you don't want to, you don't have to. It's completely up to you. But do not let people's opinion or what you think you should have, or don't look at your friend's edges and be like, well, why didn't I get edges? Or your family and like, well, why am I the one with the alopecia and why didn't it go to other people? Just accept it and just find different ways to love it and live with it until you could afford to not live with it. Okay?
Yes, you guys, so stay tuned for the release of our brand new pink hot combs. So once again, thank you so much, Yolissa, for sponsoring this video. Remember, guys, this is a number 27 honey blonde water wave wig, all right? So if you want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. And if you want to view my hair tutorials hours before everyone else, make sure you join my channel today. See y'all later.